I'm going to be sharing the biggest hack to find dream high ticket clients based on your niche in this video. You guys are facing problems with low ticket clients and all because we are surrounding ourselves with our friends and all that, colleagues and all that stuff as well, competitors. Raise it up. There are people, high paying clients in the market, and that market is ready to pay you today. It's just about you tapping into that market. And those markets, think about now, I'm going to be adding some more gold nuggets here. Think about where these people are hanging out. These people are not hanging out in some low quality free groups like free funnel designing groups and all that stuff. These people are hanging in premium groups, quality groups, paid groups. There is a whole thing already set up for you. If I show you, let me do it live in front of you. Let me share my screen and we'll show you what exactly I'm talking about. And you will see this is an untapped market. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Now, I'm taking an example of Dan Henry. His domain is getclients.com. Homepage. Maybe some of you might have heard about me in some free trainings or something. Now look at this one. This is Dan Henry's domain, his company. Now he's a coach. He was a coach. He has quit coaching now, but he has produced millionaires. Literally, he has produced so many case studies of 6-figure, 5-figure is bare minimum. 6-figure, 7-figure, 8-figure earners as well. He himself is a 8-figure earner. If I need to find high-paying clients, what is the best way? What I will do, I will go and find out his case studies from his website. How difficult is it to me? Everybody shows off their case studies on their website of their student. You guys know who are my successful students. People like Priyanshu, Uzma, Shubham, Sagar, Rajveer, so many people. These people are already cracking 5-6 figures a month. Or have total cracked at least 6 figures. For you guys, this is, you tap into my market, see what is the best case study Sahil has produced. Let me build connection with this guy. Priyanshu, who is here, he has hired his funnel builder from our paid community, from our group, from our coaching clients. Hold on, let me see. Right here, case studies. So you go to archive, case studies. Look at these people. These people are your dream clients. I don't know how many people have tried to tap into this market. These people like 55K investment that he did, 30K this person made, no, not even 30K. Went from 297 to charging 30K. And they are talking about their case studies unlimited times. Go to page number 2, page number 3. And this is the one example I gave you. Look at how many coaches are there in the market. If you can't reach to Dan Henry, people like Dan Henry, at least you can reach to people like these. These are people like me. If I got coached by Dan Henry, he's using my case studies, you would find me here. Simple as it is. I literally gave you gold nugget over there. These people, it's like somebody has already given you everything in the gold platter. Like here it is.